here's my son out here again. He's gonna show us the Volcano in action. He's gonna, oh, yep, all aluminum mods. This is the one I showed you guys the dog bone problem with. But anyway, he's gonna do a little bash for us. Go ahead, buddy. It doesn't matter, go ahead. He's gonna do a little driving for us. He's a little better on a truck this size than he is with the shredder. The shredder is a little bit too much for him, but you can see he's pretty good with it. Ooh, went a little far.
Right the right side. See that? What? The right side.
Anyways, just want to show you a little treat. My son playing around with the Volcano. Anyways, you guys have a good night. Talk to y'all later.